this stuff in?
I think we got everything out of the front door. The fire exit had a nutcracker. I don't know about now, but there is a.
A robot.
It's like hunting.
You hear that noise? Something's about to pop out.
Right.
I'm gonna watch it spawn.
Hey, Fran.
Something's about to appear over here. Wait, we're watching it.
Wait, Fran, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Tulip snakes, when they start flapping, you jump in there like a jetpack boost.
What? Oh, I killed two. Well, I killed one and Steve killed one.
Yeah, okay. That's fine. I just want to tell you, we're going in deeper.
Okay, that's OP. Why won't it come out? I hear it in there.
I don't know, nothing's coming out.
Oh, that's fire!
Yep. Oh, I was gonna grab it.
Oh,
Drop all here.
I'm just running. There's a fucking worm!
Ah! Oh my god! Hey, I gotta grab it now.
There's oh. Uh-oh. Ah! Ah! Yeah! Okay.
I just showed up, I was like...
Honestly.
That's why I moved them there.
Yeah, it's
like
not. It's not. Yeah, it's a good spot. Alright. I have so much weight right now, I have 100 pounds.
I have nothing, so I can
Oh, get in. Oh! Whoa! It's not safe! Oh, fuck. Kyle's able to blow up. Okay, he's good. Okay.
And that shit's floating in the air.
Is it? Oh my god, it is. He's looking at the ground for it. What an idiot. Imagine not knowing that it's
Oh my
fucking
God.
floating in the sky.
What's crazy?
Give me another go.
Wait. It turned on, huh? Four of them.
Or they're not even looking, you can make a run for it.
Yeah.
She's gonna
Never
die
mind,
of the
she got
worm.
herself killed. Oh my god. She's a god.
She might die to the worm if it goes for her. Oh, she's gonna get hit by a rocket. Oh my gosh, she died.
Shit.
What happened to the worm?
She's actually goated. Rory Baker did that.
Go, Roy, go. Oh! The dog is attacking the fucking thing. Oh! Alright, I deserve that. Oh yeah, those things are insanely expensive.
What
Oh,
was that?
oh, he killed another one, huh? Wait, it died! It died to a fucking thing! I want the thing.
Died to a what?
It died to a crusher.
Oh,
Oh, I got it.
no! I trapped myself in a corner!
I feel like I hear her walking. Hey, very good. Is it yippee?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, there's a bag. Wait, she's. Oh! Wait, that is.
Wait, that's insane.
Oh. auto click. No! No!
How should I blow up?
You
I
just
could
blow
blow
up.
up.
Oh my
Bye,
gosh.
Kyle.
It's a bird. It's
like-
a plane. No,
It's a
Kyle.
boom.
It's
It's not blowing up.
Pretty high.
it's the scene
He's
from James
so
Bond.
far away.
I think it's
I think he ascended.
Where'd he go?
He's off to another world now.
He's in heaven now.
He's finding a new
So
moon. He never came back down. Fuck, I didn't make the jump. Oh, that was him. Juking him, juking. I didn't juke. What the fuck was that?
What the fuck was that?
So, dogs spawn on this map, right?
Yep.
Just we can get killed by that.
No! What the? Go!
Pass the old bird.
I have so... No! No!
You're so slow.
That is a ballsy spot for that. I guess not. He hasn't... Oh my god, he...
What was that?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Jesus.
Easy. Sometimes you just
Be the
gotta
best
boost.
map ever.
What is this? Oh, it's a dead dog.
Oh, so I guess like
Oh, that guy just turned on.
They're all turning on.
This is such a funny map. There are gonna be rockets in our ship! No! I can't fucking... I hate do this stupid... I'm getting pushed back. I can't even kick!
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
This is... I made it! Ah, no! Hi, I'm at the fire exit.
Fire exit.
Yeah. What was that?
Oh.
crushed.
Oh, that was...
That goes Roy.
Rory just
Oh, that was
immediately died.
Yeah. You're the only one that's out here besides me. Let's try to... Oh. What? Oh, there's just like a... Whee! Oh. Wait, he Kobe'd me. Too. Run! That's a mast, by the way. That's a mast! That's a mast! Oh! Hey!
I just saw someone
I was gonna see if I could try to get it. I assumed you would. Oh my god.
That was insane.
Damn.
Oh, well. Ooh! No! Nick, there's so much shit out here! There's so much shit out here! No! I think Kyle's still alive. Hi there! Oh my god, he ate me! Okay, last one. What? The smallest one ever. You see how small it is? Also, that hurts. It is so loud. seemed to. Whoa, oh! Oh! It made it bigger! I'll take that. I was gonna say him! He might blow himself up and it did, and then I fucking him fracking!